Yes, I am currently feeling very unwell. I'm going on a Christmas event, Sephora. I'm very not feeling well, but I just don't feel comfy because I'm not feeling well. Because my body is like dying. I feel like the shit does. I was date. This is the progress. Day 4 of recovery. Oh, there's goody Christmas trees.
Then just take and go.
Those can carry so much stuff. I love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am currently feeling very unwell. But today is technically my last event, hopefully. Like, I've never got invited. So far, I have nothing scheduled after this, so very exciting. And to end the whole year's event, I'm going on a Christmas event with Sephora, and this is huge because we're gonna have lunch. And the theme is Christmas sweater. And trust me, I don't have any Christmas sweater. I am very not feeling well, so I'm gonna make it quick and get dressed, and then I will continue vlogging. How about that? Love you. Okay, this fit is literally the cutest. Let me show you guys. I don't have my Christmas tree up yet, but this vlog will be my Christmas tree vlog. Okay. How adorable is this? But I just don't feel comfy because I'm not feeling well. So I'm gonna throw a stockings and a huge jacket on top. Okay. Outfit picked up. Love how I look because I'm hella freaking comfy. Can you see this? I'm not gonna shiver to date because I'm wearing a full-on sweater. Even though, oh my god, this vlog is everywhere. I have to run some errands. I need to buy some decor, I need to buy some medicines, and I need to buy bed sheets and a few other stuff like milk and normal grocery stuff. So let's go to Pavilion and do some last minute shopping because I'm date tomorrow. So I have to settle this today with my very last bit of energy. So let's go. Just parked. Now I'm on my way walking because I parked in Pavilion and the event is in Fahrenheit, right in front of Pavilion. So let's go. Wish me luck, guys, because my body is like dying. It's in 5% battery level. Yeah. It is so hella hot, but I feel like I'm loving it because it's helping with my fever. But I still am not there enough to drink this hot chocolate because I'm scared it's gonna be super hella hot. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna just head over to lunch. Everyone has been nice, but I scared I potong them. Drink the hot chocolate and ciao. I mean, how adorable. This is mind-blowing. Everything here is so cute. I'm gonna just devour all the food and leave. I didn't bring my camera stand, so work with me. I love y'all. I feel like the shit does. I have flu falling down. I feel so hot. I feel so stuffing on the dining table. I'm breathing so heavy. God, please. I was dead. I died. I survived. And I come back and I'm so grateful that Yashni was there with me the whole day yesterday, accompanying me throughout the clinic and then driving me back home and making sure I sleep with my medicines and stuff. But please don't push yourself too hard, guys. I understand that we are in the era where we really want to hustle to get where we want to be in the future, but please prioritize your health, because you can't be wherever you want to be if you are not prioritizing your health. So drink more water, take time to say no and rest and be home, because or else you're gonna end up like me. I was literally crying in the toilet yesterday, and I feel like I don't deserve that struggle, and I don't deserve to look like this shit. But it's currently 2:20. I woke up a few hours ago, got my breakfast done, and took my AM medicines. And thank God all my medicines is only 2 times a day and not 3-4 times a day, which I'm super grateful for. But instead of letting myself down, I'm gonna do something that I feel like it's gonna make me so damn happy, which is putting up my Christmas tree. And I swear to God, it's halfway into December and I still have not put up my Christmas tree, and I have so much PR to be unboxed. But you know what, that PR can stay under my Christmas tree, but I'm gonna unbox and put up my Christmas tree, which is right over here, while watching my favorite Desperate Housewives. I'm in season 7, episode 19. எனக்கு முடியல பாசாமி, என் உடம்பு தஹான் பண்ண முடியல. ஆனா hopefully I get better, because I have cute peoples, fun things to do on the 14 onwards. My friends coming over, and I'm planning to have a house party soon as well. So I hope I get well soon. But yeah, let's unbox stuff, because I am not feeling it. So I feel that my body's gonna get so much happier if I do that. And if I really can't, I'm just gonna pause and I'm gonna grab some sleep, and then I'm gonna come back, because I know this can make me happy. So here's a time lapse of me building the Christmas tree. This is the progress so far, and I bought the most cutest tree charms. Like, I thought of doing like an all white Christmas, because my house is not as bright as my previous house. Like this right here. How adorable is this? Guys, okay, it's day 4 of recovery, and I am so much better now. Literally in my workout set. Say hi. So now we are gonna head over to Pavilion to do some Christmas shopping. Woohoo! And my hair is not very straight, please don't mind me, but we are going for a straight look today. All I have to do is go to Pavilion and do some Christmas shopping. 40 minutes drive for like 20 kilometers, so wish me luck. I hate Pavilion's jam, but I hope we can escape that traffic ASAP. Let's go. First stop is Massimo Dutti. I want to see if I can find some cute date night outfits, and I love a good classy dress. Okay, unfortunately they don't have the type of dress that I want, they had very winter collection, so let's head to Zara and see if they have any other cute stuff. Okay, you can never go wrong with a white leg dark blue jeans, and I actually need one because I just broke a zip on another one. That's all. Thank you. I was supposed to try the jeans in Zara, but yeah, the line was so bad that I didn't even want to try to line up, so I left and I'm here to eat my lunch, my late lunch. This right here is what I'm looking for, and not the price range but something similar. I just want to get some here and there decorations, and this is so adorable. Oh, there's cutie Christmas trees. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, but no, I don't need more Christmas tree. I just need more simple, cute decorations. Oh my god, I saw this on Shopee and this is so cute. I'm thinking of going for something like this instead of a typical this or this. Because my Christmas tree is all white. This is cute for my house, right? For the front. I'm literally looking for like a bag or a trolley, and I can't find any, like even a basket would be just nice for me to put all the stuffs in. Found a bag. I'm gonna take this one. I really like this. Let's find some more cute decorations. I want to find some cute mini Christmas trees to put around the table. Very green. Like I'm looking for something more modern. Cute, cute. Let me look around. Okay, now let's go find for some bedsheet, and Amma say 300 bucks is expensive. Say hi, mommy.
Hi. Don't buy expensive, okay?
But I can't find any good material one for like cheap. So now I'm finding for a pillow, and Amma say I need a special pillow. So is this pillow okay?
Open up. Why? You think the cover one or empty one don't have, is it?
They don't have it here. She bullies me.
Yeah, but take the... How much is this?
Huh? This one, what type is this? Nobody's here.
Then just take and go.
Imagine if I just... Okay, I like this pillow. Let's go. Okay, Death is coming.
Yes.
Hi. Yes. I'm looking for this pillow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the latex pillow.
Latex pillow.
Yeah.
I mean, I struggle. I always have like a back pain here. So this helps, right?
Yeah, yeah. Because when you turn in, you feel different.
Okay, I was thinking of getting this. How adorable is that? For my sink. I just cleaned the whole bathroom, and it's like sparkling clean. It's like click, and then I put all my Christmas candles all ready. Okay, got my bed sheet and pillow done. Now I'm gonna go and pay along with this stuff. Let's go. Because if I stay here any longer, I'm gonna spend so much and my battery's dying. Okay. Only girls can carry so much stuff with one hand while vlogging. And I'm that girl, bitch. Ah! It's hella heavy, guys. It's hella heavy. Kill me already. It was so hella heavy. I wanna pee. Oh my god! I hate when I have to do this. I hate my life. But I had to get to the car ASAP because my battery was like 10, and if I don't get to the car, then I will get lost. And I actually got lost for a moment there because I thought my car was in B1. Then only I was like, wait, why is there no B? Why is it A? Then I was like, oh fuck, I parked it in B2. So then I rushed to B2 and I went to the car, and my nails is halfway broken even though I just got it done, because I got it done not knowing my nails are weak now, because I got it done and I never let my nail to rest. Whew. I need water. I never drink water. Hop on a drive-through because that's me. I don't want to get back into the mall. Oh no! I actually have to get my freaking auto pay shit because my hands was... Let's go and do that. Stay there. I am back! Okay, I'm gonna do a quick haul. Let me show you guys the first most expensive shit that I bought. Okay, I never thought bedsheet shopping would be so expensive. And I got myself an Akemi bedsheet. And every single bedsheet comes with the duvet cover. And I don't have the energy, okay guys, to be putting the duvet cover. So I find something with the, if you get what I mean, the blanket comes as it in. So it's this, I bought in the queen size. I know the design is not it. It screams my mom, but this is the only thing that they have. So, and I'm in need of bedsheet so bad. Next up is this. This is the Contour Hydrogel Bamboo Charcoal Memory Pillow. I needed this because I struggle with sleeping in my pillow. So my mom told me, go and get yourself a freaking stupid ass pillow, Khesyinii, or else you're gonna complain more. Okay ma, got myself one. Pucks and stuff, and I am so excited. So let's decorate while talking. Inside the toilet, let's go. I want to put it right here. Ta-da! Love it. This 2 Christmas tree. One is like that and one is like this. Then 2 light up ones. I wanted to get more, but my mom was on call. So if I get more, I'm gonna get scolding. So I didn't. And it's very wobbly, I'm not sure why. Let's open this. Oh, it's no more wobbly, it's a paper. Did you see that? Ah! Here. Okay. Upper. What? You know how cute is it? Ah! I love it. Whatever that time shows is the time lah. Whatever. I seriously am too tired for that. So I'm gonna bring down this and I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put this guy here. I think I should just leave this here. Yeah, I have no plan guys. I'm just gonna put it here and then see how I feel about that.